Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Attorney Davis with Davis Legal Center giving you this week's Tip Tuesday. So as many of you guys know, my firm, quite a big facet of my firm is helping to end the school to prison pipeline with juveniles. Our office does handle state and federal juvenile criminal cases here in the state of Florida. So I kind of wanted to talk to you a little bit about that as best as I could with the time that I have here. So the school to prison pipeline is what many of us have called this process in which children of color, primarily African American students, are pushed out of the school system and set up, almost as the word suggests, in a pipeline to be involved in the criminal justice system, whether it's a juvenile or adult criminal justice system. I wanted to kind of share with you a couple of statistics and to kind of urge you to take action if you can, if you know juveniles, or I hate referring to them as juveniles, but if you know children that are on the cusp or are actually in the criminal justice system. So African American children are 3 times more likely to be suspended or expelled from a public school. Most of the suspensions or expulsions from a school generally tend to stem from issues that, as advocates, we believe could be resolved at the school level without getting them into the criminal justice system, without getting the court's involvement. I think that's one of where it starts at. And then the statistics also demonstrate and show us that once a child is expelled or suspended from school, that they are almost always likely to end up in the criminal justice system within a year. That's just raw statistics. A lot of people go a little bit more deeper than that, and there are statistics that support those theories as well. But to me, when our children are not in school, when they're not learning, when their time is not occupied constructively in an academic setting, that really kind of leaves them to be more prone to end up in our system. So I really wanted to challenge not only just attorneys, but parents, people involved in the education system. We have to end this. Children do not belong in the criminal justice system. They certainly don't belong in an adult criminal justice system. And I posted an earlier video about direct filing here in the state of Florida. And I wanted to leave you with this. Even though we have a health pandemic going on, the state of Florida is still actively investigating, prosecuting cases, as well as direct filing our children. There have been multiple COVID-19 outbreaks at the Broward Detention Center, to the extent that they are no longer accepting new admissions. We are still going to court. We are still actively defending these cases. So if you or a loved one have a child that's in the criminal justice system here in the state of Florida, whether it be state court or federal court, absolutely reach out to us if you'd like to learn more information, okay? Bye and have a wonderful week.